Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Fantom Coin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Fantom Coin has recently broken out the resistance of this symmetrical triangle, and now after the breakout, the price line is once again rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 95 cents and goes to 16 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, by the way, then here you can see that this resistance zone had been previously working as a resistance zone here, and before that, it had been working as a support zone here, and resistance zone here. Therefore, we will still need to break out this resistance zone even after breaking out this triangle. By the way, on this 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out these two very big patterns. One was the breakout from this down channel, and after that, it was stuck inside this wedge, and we broke it out as well. And during this all move, the price line also formed this very massive double bottom at this long-term support of 16.5 cents as well. And so far, from this low to here, you can see that the Fantom coin has pumped almost 442%. And when it was dropped down here, it was retesting the support resistance of the channel as a support. From this low to this high, you can see that it has rallied more than 628%, but still we will need to break out this resistance line in order to continue this rally to the upside. And here, by the way, this 21, the EMA 21 is also breaking as a very nice support. You can see that since we have broken out this resistance of EMA 21, it worked as support here, and recently after testing the support here, the price then geared up and now trying to break out this long-term resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Fantom coin that I shared in the month of June 2022 with my members. And this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, like this, the trade setup for Cream Finance. And after clicking on the link, it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal almost 3 days ago on 19th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive pump, by the way. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my long-term trade signal for Fantom coin that I shared in the month of June 2020 two with my members, and that was a very massive harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern that Fantom coin completed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has geared up from this potential reversal zone, still moving inside this potential reversal zone, and I'm expecting that soon it will hit the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this card pattern for my members. And by the way, this sell target zone starts from $1.86 and goes to $2.92. Now let's move to the live chart. And here on a daily time frame chart, recently you can see that we have broken out this symmetrical triangle. And so far from this low to here, you can see that it has pumped almost 46%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 95 cents and goes to $1.16. By the way, if you are trading this breakout from this triangle, then you can set your stop loss below this uptrend line support of this triangle. And the technical target for this breakout, the conservative target for this breakout can be here. That is exactly at this long-term resistance of $1.16. Therefore, after breaking out this triangle now, there is a very high probability that the price line may soon break out this long-term resistance zone as well. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this long-term down channel, and after that we broke out this falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, the target for the falling wedge pattern breakout was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 64 cents, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target, and during this all move, it has also formed this double bottom pattern as well. Therefore, when it was moved down here at this support, and it was quite squeezed inside this bed. In those days, I shared several videos with you, and I've been showing you this double bottom pattern as well. And I was telling you that now there is a very high probability that it may break out the next falling wedge pattern as well, and we may expect a very massive rally or very long-term bull run of Fantom coin. You can see that it has turned parabolic bullish, and so far pumped almost or more than 600%, but still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this very long-term down channel. And that target is, by the way, here at the top of the channel. That can be between $3.50 to $4. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.